How can site audit software transform your workplace? This video explores how digital solutions revolutionize audits, ensuring safer, more efficient operations. Discover the benefits of structured workflows and real-time insights. Site audits reveal the real performance of your operations. Skipping audits or using outdated tools increases risks. Early issue detection prevents incidents. Standardization aligns teams across locations. Audit data becomes a tool for strategic improvement and accountability. A hotel group thought its audits were consistent, but each location used different checklists. Site audit software revealed gaps in cleanliness and safety. Digital systems unified scoring and improved quality. Standardization and visibility drove improvements. The software exposed issues hidden in separate reports. Site audit software digitizes inspection processes with structured workflows. Digital checklists ensure consistent standards. Photo evidence and notes enhance report credibility. Automated scoring brings fairness and consistency. Real-time reporting and action tracking improve responsiveness. A plant manager blamed random causes for recurring failures. Site audit software revealed a training gap. Digital history clarified issues in minutes. Trend analysis transformed audits into strategic tools. Audits became drivers of operational change. eAuditor simplifies site audits with clarity, standardization, and automation. Industry-ready templates cover diverse sectors. Smart scoring and analytics provide instant insights. Photo evidence and automated actions ensure accountability. Multi-location intelligence and easy reporting enhance performance. Site audit software connects all aspects of your operations. It replaces manual tasks with efficient digital tools. Transform audits into strategic assets for safety and improvement.